It's your boy PK on another hiking experience, and as you know, the hiking continues, man. Today we out here at Bokkraal Waterfall Valley, yeah, just in between Swatrahands and Lettenberg. Yeah, I've heard a great deal about this trail. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Today I'm with another group hiking getaways. Also looking forward to hiking with them. So let's see what this trail has in store for us. Let's do this, guys.
I can't be timing gates just in case. Anything. Yeah. Imagine. Even if I fall, it must be documented.
Yeah, of course.
How's it going?
Hey, still alive.
Still alive. Z, how's it going?
It's dangerous. That's how it's going.
Dangerous. Actually,
Look good, PK.
you look good.
Paco now,
Yeah,
not
you
PK.
Paco. Yeah.
Raging forest.
Oh, thank you. Oh, how are we doing this coming back?
So we're gonna have a break here.
Historic channels in the world.
Also, how big is your picture?
So how's it going? What are you enjoying about this trail so far?
The cellular network. PK, your ancestors will take you. I'm even gonna sing for you. Snake skin. Are we lost?
I found a snake skin.
Oh, we're always finding snake skin. Where's it?
You. shedding skin. Yeah, we did it. We conquered Bokkraal, Waterfall Valley. It was a great time. I enjoyed it. Pitying my phone fell in the water while I was playing the water, but hopefully I'll be able to get it fixed, man. As usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification to get alerted when the next hiking video comes. Question is, what would that be? So take a look of what we are going to next time on the hiking experience. Until then, peace out. Next time on the hiking experience. Today we're doing an 8-kilometer trail. And for mosquitoes.
Are we going to get out of here alive?
Yeah.